Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $6,800, Westbrook, Connecticut. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Electroglide represents the heart of the shovelhead touring era, a period that helped establish Harley-Davidson as the dominant name in American long-distance motorcycling. Known for its comfortable ride, classic styling, and unmistakable V-twin sound, the FLH remains a favorite among riders who appreciate vintage touring machines with authentic character. This Burgundy example is powered by the legendary 74 cubic inch shovelhead engine and shows just under 22,000 miles. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and is ready to ride. With its combination of low mileage, classic touring equipment, and strong Harley heritage, this Electroglide offers plenty of appeal for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts.
Number 2. 1949 Indian Scout, $5,800, Maynard, Massachusetts. The 1949 Indian Scout comes from one of the most storied names in American motorcycle history. Scouts earned a reputation for reliability, distinctive styling, and strong performance, helping establish Indian as one of the premier motorcycle manufacturers of the 20th century. Surviving examples remain highly collectible and continue to attract attention wherever they appear. This motorcycle has been customized in traditional bobber fashion with cut-down fenders and classic cocktail shaker mufflers. The seller notes that it includes many new parts, new tires, and a title, while the engine may require some top-end work before returning to regular use. For enthusiasts seeking a vintage Indian project, this Scout presents an intriguing opportunity. Number 3. 1976 BMW R60/6, $3,995, Seneca, South Carolina. The 1976 BMW R60/6 showcases the dependable boxer twin platform that helped make BMW motorcycles famous around the world. Known for durability, comfort, and straightforward maintenance, the R60/6 became a popular choice among riders who valued long-distance capability and classic German engineering. These motorcycles continue to enjoy a loyal following today. Showing just over 53,000 miles, this blue example is described by the seller as a sweet vintage BMW that runs great and needs nothing. Its simple, honest presentation reflects the practical nature that made these motorcycles so successful. For riders seeking an affordable and usable vintage BMW, this R60/6 appears ready for continued enjoyment. Number 4. 1980 Kawasaki KZ1300, $9,500, Doylestown, Pennsylvania. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ1300 stands among the most impressive motorcycles of its era. Powered by a massive 6-cylinder engine, the KZ1300 delivered smooth performance, strong highway capability, and engineering sophistication that set it apart from many competitors. Today, these machines are highly respected by collectors and enthusiasts of classic Japanese motorcycles. This example has reportedly been owned by the seller for approximately 20 years and has benefited from numerous improvements during that time. Showing around 26,000 miles, the motorcycle reflects long-term ownership and careful attention from someone experienced with Kawasaki models. Its rarity and distinctive 6-cylinder design make it a standout among vintage motorcycles. Number 5. 1971 BSA Thunderbolt, $5,200, Arcade, New York. The 1971 BSA Thunderbolt represents one of the final generations of BSA's famous parallel twin motorcycles. Renowned for strong torque, classic British styling, and a straightforward riding experience, the Thunderbolt became a popular choice among enthusiasts during the golden age of British motorcycling. Well-preserved examples remain desirable today. This green motorcycle is described as an all-original example showing approximately 7,150 miles. The seller reports that it starts, runs, and idles great while benefiting from a new set of tires. A previously inoperative speedometer has also been repaired. With its originality and strong running condition, this Thunderbolt offers classic British charm in a usable package.
Number 6. 1981 Yamaha XS650, $3,500, Quarryville, Pennsylvania. The 1981 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most respected Japanese twin-cylinder motorcycles ever produced. Often compared to classic British twins for its styling and riding character, the XS650 earned a reputation for reliability, simplicity, and strong aftermarket support. Decades after production ended, it continues to be a favorite among collectors, custom builders, and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts alike. This orange example shows approximately 9,000 miles on the odometer, although total mileage is unknown. The seller reports that it runs great, looks fantastic, has good tires, and is currently inspected. With its eye-catching appearance and strong running condition, this XS650 appears ready to be enjoyed while attracting attention wherever it goes. Number 8. 1977 Yamaha XS650, $3,500, Plano, Texas. The 1977 Yamaha XS650 helped cement Yamaha's reputation for producing durable and enjoyable twin-cylinder motorcycles. Its combination of classic styling, dependable performance, and strong customization potential has kept the XS650 popular for generations. Today, these motorcycles are commonly found both in original form and as thoughtfully modified vintage riders. This black example features several upgrades, including a Boyer-Branston ignition, Mikuni VM34 carburetors, charging system improvements, oil cooler, LED lighting, and a new fuel tank. The seller states that the motorcycle runs amazingly, with only minor cosmetic imperfections noted. For buyers seeking a sorted and upgraded XS650, this machine offers a strong blend of performance and vintage character.